Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you using Workday how do I view my work schedule. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To view your work schedule in Workday, first what you need to do is head over and open up the Workday app, and then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your Workday credentials as well. Then once you're logged in, from the Workday homepage, use the search bar at the top and then type in my schedule and select it from the search results. Then a calendar will appear displaying your scheduled work days and hours. You can navigate between different weeks or months using the arrows next to the date field. To change the view, click on the month, week or day button in the upper right corner of the calendar. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.